Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. I am still in New York City. Just woke up, had a good night's sleep. I really did. I slept through the whole night, which I usually don't do. And it was a little chilly too. I had to put the air conditioning down. This room's so small air conditioning like that is like a killer. But this room is fine. It was fine. The room was okay. The bed was actually comfortable. Clean sheets, no bugs. It was clean. This room was clean, definitely. They gave me a nice towel, which was good because the shower is right outside the door, and I didn't bring anything to go to the shower, so I just wore my towel. And then the small toilet is around the corner here, but it's not far. And so, perfect. And I like that there's a sink in the room. So, perfect. I'll just give you a quick glance of the room. If you ever want to stay in New York City, this cost it was like 120, but it was like 117, something like that. But with all the add-ons, taxes, and all that stuff, it was in the 130s. And I thought that was pretty good for being in New York and having a small room like this. So I thought that was pretty good. But when I went downstairs, he saw all my, Army garb, and he wanted to give me a 10% discount. And he said that they don't have a policy, but he wanted to give me a 10%. And I saved like $20, so it was pretty good. So what I'm going to do is at $20, I say I'm going to use it as a donation and buy $20 worth of those Toys for Tot cubes I'm getting, and then I can put those cubes with the add-on one. Instead of I'm buying 100 cubes and then put those with the other 30 I got. And I also got another donation for, I don't know if it was like $3 or $4, but when Google takes their money, it was like 2 something. So I'll make sure I get at least one cube for that. So that'll be like 30, 31 plus whatever this 20 is going to bring. Which would bring probably around 5, maybe. Something like that. Maybe more with $3.99. No, maybe more. Maybe more than that. But yeah, I slept good. So that's my bed. I just got a shower, got my shirt on, my Monkey League shirt. The 2 guys are their signature here. So I'm gonna go out and get some coffee. It's a little over 8 o'clock. There should be a coffee shop somewhere. So I'm gonna sit down and get some coffee, kill some time, maybe come back and take an hour nap. I'm not sure. When I wake up, just wash up a little bit and then go. So that's all I have. I might show you a little bit outside of the cafe if I find one. And I'll see you later. I'm outside my hotel. I just wanted to show you what the sign was, in case you're interested. Look that up. You just need one bed, you got it. So it's not that bad. It's not a bad neighborhood. Typical like New York, what I think of a New York. Fire escapes. These houses over here look kind of nice. And this is what all the rooms look like. They got a lot of rooms. They have like 3 townhouses, I think. They have all these little rooms. So they got plenty of space. So that's what it is. 215 West Chelsea International Hostel. Hostel?
Chelsea International Hostel.
Yeah, so go look it up and spend a night. And if you need to go somewhere, taking a taxi from here to there won't be too much, I don't think. I'm kind of in between, I'm going to say, the new tower, I forget what it's called, Freedom Tower, and Times Square maybe. So, all right, looking for, I don't know what this sign's all about. What's that sign all about right here? I'm not sure. Well, I don't know where to go. I ate over there. If you're interested, Joe's Pizza. Their pizza is pretty good, and their hospitality is excellent. Very friendly. Very small, but very friendly. So I recommend, if you're walking around this part of New York, Joe's Pizza if you want something quick to eat. And the price wasn't too bad. Remember, we are in New York. When you're walking around New York, Einstein. When you walk around New York, you got to remember that there are people that are going to come to you. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me, but that are going to come to you and, you know, beg you for some money, or let me say ask you for money because they don't have enough to eat or whatever. And you can't give everybody money, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I do give out money. I like to donate stuff, but you can't help everyone. There was a guy that came up to me yesterday, called me soldier. I didn't stop. They kept going and say, do you have a little bit? And then I wouldn't stop. I just kept going because I was just, you know, I just wanted to get to my hotel. I was tired. Plus, you're not going to want to take your wallet out in front of people too to give them money. That's where my money's at, in my wallet. So, yeah. Ooh, there's a coffee shop right there, but it's closed. Barbershop. So, you know, he kept following. I just ignored him. You know, he said something stupid to me in Spanish, and or some language. I'm not sure what language it was. I don't think it was Spanish because I didn't understand it. I don't speak Spanish, but I can understand some Spanish. So the oops, sorry about that. Sorry. And he started cussing me out. He said something I didn't understand, but you could tell he was being aggressive. So I continued, kept my eye in the back of my head open, make sure he wasn't going to, you know, lash out or whatever. But so you have to ignore some people. Do you want to ignore them? Do you want to give them money and help them out? Yeah, for sure. But I can't help out everyone. I wish I could. That's probably what billionaires say. I can't help everyone when he's on his yacht, you know, driving his 10 cars. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. They have these signs. They have these TVs here. They have advertisement and stuff, and then they have a free. I think this one has a free phone, you know, emergency phone here. And then you can charge your phone right there. It's neat, but you know they get dirty, so they got to have people come around and clean them up a little bit. They get a little dirty, and it starts to look a little, you know, not as good. And I'm going to say New York needs to fix their streets up a little bit. It's a little. Most of the streets are kind of beat up. I'm not going to talk crap on New York. It's a big city, and I'm not used to big cities. There's the advertisement right there. There's a Italian coffee bakery right there. I just want regular coffee. Oh, today is Sunday. I think they're not going to be open too early, I don't think. There's a Starbucks over there, so I'm not big on Starbucks, but I'm going to drink some of theirs. Better than nothing. So let me give you a perspective of where I'm at. Okay, I see West 23rd Street. Oh, there's a Target right there. Oh, wait a minute. This is a deli. I'd rather have coffee over here, but I don't know if they have coffee. Oh, here we go. Okay, I'm in 8th Avenue and West 23rd Street. So, I don't know if you guys recognize anything. It's not a bad part of town. There's a Target right there. And there's another pizzeria. There's a lot of pizzerias around here. Subway, 23rd Street Subway. I've never been to a New York Subway. Tall building. That's a tall building over there, standing by itself. Another one of those signs. All right, let me go ahead and go to Starbucks. They have a very, very nice Starbucks here, and the coffee's pretty good, so it wasn't too bad. So I'm happy I found it. I'm out and about. I hung out at Starbucks for a little bit. Heading back to my hotel, maybe get an hour nap before the show. See, people think fire escapes are ugly. I don't think so. Because that'd save a life right there. I don't mind fire escapes as long as they keep them nice and clean. people don't use them as balconies. I don't know what that store is over there, but it's pretty interesting. Yeah, I think I gotta go down one more. Yeah, it's nice to be out and about. A place you don't really know, just to check it out. I'm gonna have to stop and orientate myself.
Really? For the first time?
Yeah, I might have went the wrong direction maybe. I went across this. I don't remember Five Guys, so yeah. Let me get myself orientated before I walk off too far. Alright, I found I just went way too far past it. Apparently I didn't walk that far in the first place. So I'm here heading to my room. Charge my phone up, pack my bag, charge my phone up, and get ready to leave, take a nap, and then I can walk that 0.8 miles to the venue, and then from over there find something to eat. Once I check out, I have 2 hours before I have to head to the venue. There it goes again, in case you want to get a room here. It wasn't too bad. Apparently I was the first one to take a shower today because it took, I went past my door, it took way too long for the hot water to come, but when it finally came, it was nice. Alright, I'll see you in the room. Alright, I'm checked out of the hotel. That's the hotel name right there. I'll try to put all the information right here so if you guys are interested. I liked it. You know, it's just a room. And being that New York is so high in rates, especially on the weekends, $100 and some was not too bad. But, you know, shop around, you can still find some place. Especially one that was near the venue. I thought it was pretty good. So, I got to find out where I have to go. I think I got to go down here and then straight, then turn, and then find a place to eat. I'm gonna try to go to the place that the street that I would need to be on. I just walk up and down it. Got about 2 hours to go to the 2.5 hours, something like that. All right, out here. Walking in New York City. Some big buildings over there. This looks like a very nice street right here. This is like a nice restaurant. Chelsea Square Diner. Ooh, it's a diner. You know what? I'm here. Open 24 hours too. I'm gonna check it out. I ate at that diner and it was good. Except I wasn't, as soon as I sat down, I just wasn't feeling well for some reason. I think it might be dehydration. So I ate some of it. And like I say, it was good, I just couldn't eat it. So, drank a lot of water. Well, a lot for me, not a lot of water.
Turn right after Chase Bank onto 10th Avenue.
That building reminds me of a building in Berlin. Oop. Gotta turn. It's cloudy, which is good. Look at that guy's bike, that's awesome. All right, this is my building right there. That's the building I have to go to. Looks different from the across the street. This Cafe Aroma, I can hang out there for a little bit. Maybe I'll just walk up the street a little bit and then turn around. Yeah, that's the building I gotta go to right there. Ooh, look at that skyline right there. That's awesome. And there goes that building, that apartment building right there in the front, right in the middle. That's interesting. A little futuristic. Leave the mailboxes alone. So I'm at West 46th Street and Hudson Guild Place. There's another interesting building over there too. E-bikes. That's a nice feature there, e-bikes. Oh, they have a little track here. That's awesome. And a nice high fence. Maybe it's just for the people that live here, maybe? I'm not sure. It's that one building I was looking at before. And those famous water towers on the top. I still got about an hour and a half until the doors open. It was hot in that diner, so that didn't help. That's why, if it was cooler in there, I probably would have stayed. That's a nice view there. That's a nice view. Well, I'm turning around, going back to the building, see if I see anything, any place I can sit. Probably that cafe. This is my building I gotta go to, but it's too early to go in.
Turn left onto West 26th Street.
Yep. Cafe Aroma. Alright, this is going to be the outro for the competition. I am splitting today in two parts. Day 2, part 1, day 2, part 3. Because it's a long video, so I don't do long videos. So I'm going to split it in half. So 1 is just going to be me walking around, of course. And then 2 is going to be the competition. So that's pretty much all I have. I'm going to close out. I'm going to use this part as my outro. So if you have any questions, comment down below. And without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
Just killing some time. Coffee in my hand, New York on my mind. Monkey League is coming. I'm just killing some time.